This is part 3 of this first lesson. You've gone through the warm-up, you did some vocabulary, and now you're going to practice tying your shoes. I've got 3 different ways to practice shoe tying. It's a good time to do it while you're home and you've got the time to. So good luck.
Okay guys, so the first thing that I would do is just take your shoe off, because when you're learning, it's hard because sometimes your knee is in the way or your leg is in the way, and that makes it a little bit harder. So just for practice, take your shoe off to get started. So the first method I'm going to show you is, I'm just going to call it my way. This is the way I was taught, and so of course I think it's the best way. But anyway, you're going to take your shoelaces, and obviously all of the methods I'm going to show you start with that simple first knot. So you're just going to take your shoelaces, you're going to cross them like this, okay, and then you're going to put one under the other and just tie that simple little knot, okay? So we'll do that again. All right, make your little X at the top, push it underneath, and then pull, okay? So that's the first part. The next part is you're going to make one loop, okay? Sometimes people call this a bunny ear. We're just doing one bunny ear. So you're going to take your one shoelace in your hand, and you're going to make that little loop. So take your other hand, pull it up, and pinch right here, okay? Then you have this nice little part here on the end. The next thing you're going to do is take the other lace, and you're going to swoop it, okay? So we looped it, now we're going to swoop it. So you're going to take this, and you're just going to pull it around here, okay? So we'll do that again from here, still pinching here. I'm going to bring this around like this. All right, so at this point, right where my thumb is, I'm going to push this shoelace into my thumb and push. I kind of grab the loop with my other thumb and push. So here is my lace, okay? It's right in the middle of this circle. So now what I'm going to do is let go of this pinch, okay? And I'm going to kind of switch my hands. This hand's going to grab this, and then this pinch is going to grab that loop. And then I'm just going to pull together tight, okay? So let's do that again. All right, so we start out both laces, make your X, under, and pull. Then we're going to take one, take this hand, make that loop, okay? Pinch it. Here's your swoop, your loop, sorry, your loop. Now we're going to take this one, swoop it around. All right, now this is the tricky part. Take this one that you just swooped around and push it against your thumb, push through that little circle. Now we do the switch. I grab this, and we pull. Sorry, pull. Okay, so that's my way. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is called, I'm just calling this the double loop, because you're going to start out again, hold those laces, you're going to make that X, okay? You're going to flip it under like that and tie. Okay, they all start like that. Then you're going to do the same thing. Okay, so you're going to do this. And some of you are going, oh no, she's going to make a knot. But I'm not going to make a knot. So we're going to cross it again in an X, bring it through, and we're going to pull, but we're not going to pull all the way tight. So do you see how there's a little circle right there? That's what you want, that little circle. Okay, so now you can take your hands away. The next thing you're going to do is take one lace and put it through the circle. So that circle we created, just feed it through and under the circle, but leave a loop. So that's going to be your loop for your how you normally have, you know, the bunny ears. Then you're going to take this one and do the same thing through the hole. See, the hole's still there. Through the hole and under. Okay, again, see, now you can see your loops and you can see your ties here. Now you're just going to kind of slowly pull them together. And then you can adjust. You can pull those and do that. All right, let me do that again. Okay, one more time. Ooh, now I got a knot. Okay, so double loop. So we do take our 2, okay, X, under and through, and pull. All right, and then another one, X at the top, pull through, but not all the way. There's our little circle. Now I'm going to make sure my circle's there. I'm going to go down through the hole and under the other side. Keep my loop. This one goes down through the hole, under, keep my loop. And then I'm going to pull here. Okay, and that is the double loop.
No, okay. There you go.
Okay, this last one is a challenge, okay? It's tricky. I just tried to teach it to my daughter who's in 8th grade and she had a little trouble. So no worries if you can't get this one, but it's kind of fun to try it. I'm gonna do the best I can to try to take it slow so you can see it. But this is supposed to be a speed tie. So this is like a super fast, you can do it in 2 seconds kind of thing. Now, I'm not gonna show you it in 2 seconds, but if you practiced and practiced, you could maybe get it. I'll probably mess up a couple times, but I'm just gonna show it to you anyway, okay? So here's how it goes. So you're going to do that first tie, okay? Again, same thing, make your X and tie, okay? Now this is where you're gonna have to take the ties and put them over your bottom 3 fingers like this. Keep your pinchers out. So your thumb and your index finger, that's your pinchers. So you're gonna keep those out. Now, watch carefully. This pincher over here, the right pincher, that's gonna go, keep them together, under like that, okay? And then I'm going to take these, and just hold this here. These pinchers go over this way. So kind of towards your toe. This goes towards your toe this way, okay? And this one came under. So then this is where you got to pinch. So I'm going to grab from back here with this pincher, and I'm going to grab here with this pincher, and you just pull through. And that's it. That's it, right? Easy peasy. Okay, so I'll show you again. So we got our first loop, crisscross, and pull, okay? Then grab it like this, pinchers, okay? Pinchers, number 1 over here goes under. This one goes over. Parent, you're gonna have to probably help with this one. And then we're gonna pinch over here, and pinch here, and pull. Okay, so what it's supposed to look like, and I'm not an expert, I'm just learning it, is, all right, so I'm going to do my tie, X, and down, and then, so you go here, and then at the same time, the way, you know, if you want to be like super, super speedy, you go at the same time like that, and then you pull and pinch and pull through. So that's kind of how it's supposed to look, okay? So you got your my way, which I think is the best way. You have your double loop, where you do your loop, and then you got the little loop, feed through, and then you got this challenging super speedy way, which again, I'm gonna do it one more time, and then you can practice. So I've already done my first knot. Bring it here, over my middle fingers here, pinchers. Okay, now again, if you want to do it slow, under, over, pinch. Oh, I think I'm getting better at it, actually. Okay, so that's it. One more time fast. Here, pinch, over, under, pinch, and pinch. Lots of pinching and pulling. Okay, so work on it. That's your challenge, guys. And I am so excited to see you. Well, I can't see you. I wish I could see you. But you guys can see me next week for your next lesson. Stay active, stay healthy, guys. Bye.